Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to underline the text in Google Docs. So if you want to do it, first you need to select text which you want to underline. For example, I'm going to select maybe this text. Tall evergreen trees stand quietly along the trails. After that, I need to move my cursor to the upper side, and on the tools you can find this one option. This option is underline. We can click on this one option to underline the text. So how you see, it really works. If you would like to get rid of this effect, you need to click on this one option once more time, and then we will go back to previous style. Alternatively, you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard. So for example, I'm going to select this text. So I can use combination of keys Ctrl U to underline this text. So I press Ctrl U from my keyboard, and how you see the effect is the same. Of course, if you want to undo the change, you can press Ctrl U again, then we will go back to previous style. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.